3, 2, 1. 3-minute window.
What's up, everybody? Ollie from flightcomp back again, and me and my buddy are about to put a Maiden flight on his brand new Prestige Strong, Prestige 2PK. Windy. Sorry, windy, not strong. Are you nervous?
Absolutely. I'm squirting diamonds right now.
So what'd you say you had JoJo set up on it?
Yeah, JoJo set up on it. It's about 20 millimeters of travel for the ailerons, about 75 degrees of travel going down for the flaps, no ailerons going up during landings.
Wiggle the ailerons for us. Let's see what we got going on here. Tons of aileron action happening.
A lot.
Yeah.
Got my my first thermal settings about 2-3 millimeters. And then I could go ahead and move down to about 5, and all the way down to about, I think about 7 or so.
And that's all pretty standard to what was on the Samba site, right?
That's cruise in section.
Yeah.
And then reflex, I put about 1 millimeter to 2 millimeters in.
Okay. Yeah.
Of up for reflex.
How much rudder throw you got going on here?
So I've got about 30 either way.
That's full?
Yeah, 30 millimeters either way.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, I use a ton more than that, but
okay.
We'll see.
It's a big rudder.
Yeah, it's big. We'll see. And you said your CG was
111.
111.
And right now it's all up weight. It's about 1490 ounces, which is about grams. 1490 grams, which is about 52 ounces.
1490.
111 millimeters.
52 ounces, 111 millimeters.
It's got a Tattoo 3S 850 milliamp 75C battery in it.
Good battery.
Yeah, and I'm using a Ten-Shock 1515T-15 for the motor and a Resonauer 5.1 micro gearbox. And then I've got a GM 15x8 prop on there on a Velad 32x6 spinner.
Yeah, so that's like the same exact power setup as my Vertigo Strong, so it should be pretty good. Well, dude, it's all you, man. You were scared to give it a hand launch. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna power up.
You're gonna go straight for the gusto right off the bat, huh?
Power up, yeah.
Okay, well maybe don't go full beans, huh?
No.
Go like 30% or something.
Like that. There.
And there's my beauty right there. My Vertigo Light FC edition. Yeah.
Okay.
So left is left, right is right, up is up.
Okay, we're good.
Well, nothing to be nervous about, man. These things fly like pussycats, so. There she goes.
So not bad. It's decently trimmed. Not too much trim needed.
Yeah, just be careful. Mine's on the ground right there.
Like that.
Probably not the best place to put it.
Good.
Well, it was uneventful.
Good. All right, let's try this again.
Gonna go a little higher this time?
Yep. My heart's pounding through my head right now.
Oh, no. Man, you've done this a million times before.
I know,
So it's always nerve-wracking with a brand new one.
but it's not doing anything strange. It's actually
No,
very predictable.
it should fly. Real.
Actually, it looks very stable right now.
Yeah, there's a birdie over here.
Get some trim going here.
See that? Oh, there's 2 birdies.
Yeah, making no trim.
That birdie right there. It's a hawk. I got the FR Sky. What is this? The 10?
The X10S Express.
2 minutes.
I just discovered something very interesting. Besides your shaky ass fingers,
What's that?
Landing.
we have this
Third.
rainbow switch right here.
Yeah, that's my thermal. That's a tricolor for 3 different modes.
Oh, I thought it was your alternative
My,
lifestyle switch.
No, it's not my trans switch here.
Hey.
Hey, I know.
This is YouTube here. We can't say these things.
Okay, so it's my mode. So, jeez, it's really predictable. So let me mess with I need to do this a little bit.
Is this like cheating today?
I was trying to hand toss my plane. I didn't find nothing, man.
Hey, dude, I saw you throwing it.
Barely. It's nothing worthwhile.
Hey, it's cheating today.
Well, it is a Prestige. Prestige worldwide.
So I pull up a wingtip. The yellow ones are very responsive.
It should be. With those big old flaps working as ailerons too. That's sort of Manny's preferred color scheme.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, guys.
Later, Brian.
See you guys.
So, any final impressions of this bad boy?
Loving it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had the lure on it still, get everything dialed in, but it's not doing anything foolish or funky. It's predictable and it's really responsive. So maybe I need to tone down my controls a little bit or put some dual rates on it. But
You could set up a dual rate switch.
yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll use dual rate.
Yeah.
But it's real predictable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you just need to work on your flap to elevator curve. Yeah. But she flies beautiful. Beautiful.
Seems like it's got plenty of climb, especially when we put ballast in there.
Yeah.
And when I put the lightest ballast bar in, it brought the all-up weight to be about 1760 or something, and it moved my CG to 110. So it's kind of nice.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
going in the right direction.
Yeah. Perfect. All right, guys. Well, this is an actual flight of that Prestige that I was working on, where I did the LDS install videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.